the DNA has been poisoned. Secondly, what happens as the cell starts to present these or eject these defective proteins that have been induced by the retinoic acid, the immune system kicks in and starts attacking those cells because the immune system detects those proteins as kind of foreign species, most certainly not belonging in the human body, and they attack those cells, and then you have autoimmunity. So there's a long kind of detailed kind of spectrum of the possibilities of these defective proteins. In the 1990s, it was documented to be about 300 different gene expressions. So in the medical literature, they'll describe these as gene expressions, which are really measured by the presence of these proteins. And then by kind of 2010, it was up to 500 different gene expressions induced by retinoic acid. So it's just a very large number of combinations. And my belief is the reason you have such a large combination of quote gene expressions induced by retinoic acid is that it's completely or almost completely random where it attaches to the DNA and RNA. And depending on that specific position that it attaches to, you're going to get a different protein generated. And so you have to know kind of, the readers should know, our viewers should know that, the DNA, RNA is this fantastic little intricate weaving machine that weaves together proteins. And anything that kind of gets stuck in the middle of the pattern there is going to mess it up. And so this is why it's toxic. Now, I'm not just claiming that retinoic acid is toxic. It's super well documented in the medical literature, and it's been used as a chemotherapy drug for 30 years.
This is Elwyn Robinson, and that was a clip from the Rejuvenate podcast. Remember to share this clip, like and subscribe, and you can watch full new episodes by subscribing to my YouTube channel or Rumble channel, or by subscribing to the Rejuvenate podcast on Spotify or Apple Podcasts.